Hello and welcome back. We are just continuing on in the book, and today we are doing number 300. All right. So if we look at this box here, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 9, 2. For this column, we're missing a 3. For this bottom row, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 5, a 2 here, so 5, 9, 5 here, so 2, 9. For this row, we're missing 2, 7, 8, and 9. We've got the 7 here, a 9 here, so 2, 8, 7 here, and a 2 here, so 8, 9. Seven here, so 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, and 9 here. So this is our 7. For this row, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. We can get rid of this 8 here. For this column, we're missing 4, 5, and 6. We've got the 4 covering these two boxes, so our 4 has to be here. We've got a 6 here, so 5, 6. For this box now, we're missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 and 9 here, so this is our 3, 8 here, so 9, 8. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 5. We've got a 3 and 5 here, so this is our 2. 5 here, so 3, 5. For this top row now, we're missing 3, 4, and 8. We've got the 4 here, so 3, 8. 8 here, so 3, 4. 3 here, so 4, 8. For this row, we're missing 6, 7, and 9. We've got the 7 covering these two boxes and a 6 here. So this is our 9, and that 7 makes this our 6 and our 7. For this box now, we're missing 3, 5, and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 8, no help here, 3, 5, 8. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, 4, and 8. We've got the 4 covering this row, 1 and 8 here, so that makes this our 3. No help here, so 1 and 8. But that 3 makes this our 4, that makes this our 8 and our 1, and that 8 makes this our 3. We can get rid of this 3. For this column, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 7, 2. For this box now, we're missing 4, 5, and 9. We've got a 4 and 5 here, so this is our 9. 4 here, so 5, 4. For this row now, we're only missing a 7. For this row, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 3. That 5 makes this our 8, 5. That 8 makes this our 2, 5, 9, 8. That 9 makes this our 2, 9. And to finish out this box, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 2 here, so 1 and 2. And there we have it for puzzle number 300. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.